So today we will learn about what is SEO. This is the very first class on the SEO. We have like different modules around it, right? Few classes will be theoretical, other classes will be practical. So you have to make sure that like you attend all the modules so that like you understand how to do SEO for your own website and how you can rank yourself up on the search engine result pages, right? So now the first thing is, what is SEO? So whenever you go on Google and you search something, right? So let's say this is Google and you search something. So whatever you search in the search bar, this is the search bar, whatever you search in the search bar, that becomes keyword. Let's say you type my name in the Google, right? And then you search my name, which is Rohan Gulati. So now this is the keyword that I'm searching on Google, right? And over here, some results will come up. Right? So whatever results that will come up, you just have to ignore the sponsored part because sponsored comes under the Google ads, right? So whatever will come up in the search results, that will be because of SEO. So there were like many results that will show you who Rohan Gulati is and what is the Rohan Gulati's profession and other stuff. So whatever things will come up, that will be because of SEO. And what we have to do is like on every SCRP page. So at the end of the Google, so let's say this is Google, right? At the end of the SCRP page. Now what is SCRP? So once you go to the end of the Google, so you see some type of pagination. So these pagination is known as SERP, which stands for Search Engine Result Pages. Do not worry about, because we are going to do it in depth and we will have a practical classes also. So this is just a theoretical class where we are studying about it, but after that like we will be doing the practical classes.